Yes, ignoring boys. Good plan. Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Shh. Math 10C, chapter 7.2. Excuse me. 7.2. Solving a system of linear equations graphically. Now, this is today's big idea. The solution of a linear system can be found by graphing both equations on the same grid. If the two lines intersect, the coordinates of the point of intersection are the solution of the linear system. So if I've got two equations, two lines, I should say, this one and this one, where they cross, it's my solution. Now, last chapter, chapter 6, we spent a long time graphing, or looking at linear systems and graphing them. So this shouldn't be too bad. Now, what I need you guys to do for this one, x minus y is equals 3 and 4x plus 5y equals 30. Find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So I want to see everybody do the work for the red equation, x minus y is 3. Find the x-intercept. Now, for those of you that don't remember, what's the big thing about the x-intercept? Come on. What's louder? Okay. Come on, guys. Y equals 0. And the y-intercept, x equals 0. So grab your slates, show me the work. This one's pretty easy. When y is 0, what's x? When x is 0, y is? Well, show me on the slates. Come on, let's go. Now, minus 3, thank you. Nice one. Okay. So, that's graphing using intercepts. Now, everybody, and I do mean everybody, you show me the work for the blue one. Find the x-intercept. For the blue one, find the x-intercept. That is y is 0. What's x? Show me. So, for the x-intercept, y is 0. What's the first part of the equation? Yes. And I said, Elizabeth, show me work. So what I need you to show me is 4x equals 30, or x is 30 over 4, which is 7.5. 3, 6, 7.5. Now,
where's the 5 go?
Well, x-intercept, y is 0. What's 5 times 0? 0. Now, what is the y-intercept? Yes. How did you get that? 5y equals 30. Y equals 30 over 5, which is 6. Now, where does this seem to cross? Now, it's a little hard for you guys to do this on your slates. This is 5 and 2. So, let's go back and check our work. If x equals 5, what's 5 minus 2? What's 5 times 4? What's 5 times 2? Does 10 plus 20 equal 30? Yeah. All right. Now, I shouldn't do... I was going to say. Now, I want you guys, all of you, which is code for I want to see everybody pick up a marker, and I want to see everybody do this on a slate right now. I want you to find the x and y intercepts for the Bloch equation. Yes. 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 Yep. Come on. Everybody show.
The black one first.
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Everybody show me in 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. I said the black one first. Now, if I say yes, now do the green one, please. Thomas, normally when I catch creatures making that sort of noises in the real world, I shoot them and put them out of their misery. So perhaps you should be quiet now. Now, everybody, the green one. Show me work. Yes, you know how to do it. Yes, I wasn't talking to you. Yes. Thank you. Okay. So, yes. So, what is 14 thirds?
4.6 going a bunch of times.
4.6 repeating, or 4 2/3. Now, what's the Y-intercept?
-7.
Yes, minus 2y equals 14. Y equals minus 7. Now, these cross at 3, 6, and 2. So go back and check. So everybody, show me the work for the first one. 2 plus 6 is? What about the second one? Show work on your slates. 3 times 6 minus 2 times 2. Show work, please.
Wait.
No, Saul, you've got to check your answers. I know. Sorry, I'm confusing me. No, I want you to take these numbers and plug them in. Like this is 6 plus 2, which is 8. That you can do. Yes. Elizabeth, show everybody. That's what I need you to do to be able. Yes. Taylor, show everybody.
Logan, move your board first.
Yes, Logan, move your board.
No, Logan has
3 times 6 minus 2 times 2. Does that equal 14? Shh. Guys? Yes. Okay.
14 is 13.
Yes. So guys, what we're doing is exactly what we just did with the homework. Here's the equations. Here's the answer. Does it work? You checked it. Now we're checking it again. 3 times 6 is? 2 times 2 is? 18 minus 4 is?
14.
All right. Now,
97.
okay, I'm going to show you a cheating shortcut on this if you want.
Sure.
Okay. Now, cheating shortcut, and I shouldn't do this, and I'll probably get in trouble for it, but solving graphically, why don't you have your graphing calculator do this for you? How does your graphing calculator graph this? Can we rearrange this to y equals? How? Somebody besides Elizabeth, how would we do it? Yes.
Minus X.
Yes, minus x from both sides. Minus x plus 8. Yeah, I wonder how you got that one. Woohoo! Now, the other one is a little bit sneakier. We've got to rearrange that to be y equals. Now, shh. Hang on. Do this. Stop. Do this in a couple steps. What's the first thing to do? Yes. Minus 3x, minus 3x. So minus 2y equals minus 3x plus 14.
Then you just
Divide by minus 2. Now, do you write it like that?
Yeah.
You can. Sorry, you're saying. I can't. I'm sorry. I can't hear you over the background chat.
So you could time the -2 to make it positive, can't you?
Yes.
Okay.
I can multiply everything by -1. Oh, what you're saying is change the sign, so this becomes 2y equals 3x minus 7. Yes.
Yeah.
Minus 14, sorry. Yeah. You can do that.
Okay.
Yes. Whoever, Mrs. Garant or Mrs. DeBril may have shown you that way. That's fine. I just do it all in one step because I'm lazy and trying to get it, trying to do it easier or less work. So there's one equation. There's the other. y1, y2. Graph them for me, please. On your graphing calculator now. That means cap the marker, pull up Mr. Graphing Calculator, and graph these.
Oh, wait, can you put them both in?
Yes, y1 and y2. Yes, that's y1. May I see?
Oh,
That's y1. Now, where's y2? The second equation. Put them both in. Okay, that's y2. Where's y1?
Whoops. Hold on.
That's interesting. Nope. Look again. It just takes a minute to think. Yeah.
I only got one graph.
that's awesome.
Yeah, it does.
Does it just something pops up?
Okay, you put in the equations incorrectly.
What do you mean?
That's what they're supposed to look like. All right. So, Thomas, just because you've got it, all right. Check your windows. Check your equations. Yes. All right. Thank you. All right, guys. Now, come here, boy. Come here, boy. All right. Now, shh. Everybody, show me what your calculator looks like now. Hold it up. Yes. Yes.
I put Trace down. And
Okay. Check your equation is put in incorrectly. Thomas, Catherine.
I'm looking at it.
Yeah. Okay. Everybody, show me.
Show
me. Thank you. Check your windows. Could you change them to -10 to 10, please? All right, guys. Corinne. All right, guys. Now.
Yeah, I did that totally.
Yep. What you got?
Negative.
Where's your calculator? Okay, good. At home. Okay.
9.
All right. So you two ladies share. Now, everybody that's shown me this has got graphs that look like this. Now, here, as I said, this is a bit more work, but Mr. Calculator can find the answers. So, second, calculate number 5 intersect. Press the second button. Calculate.
What's it?
Calculate. Number 5 should be intersect. Second, calculate number 5. The second button upper left corner is blue or green on yours?
Second is
No, where's that? Yellow, sorry. Second, calculate. By trace, number 5, intersect. Where do those two lines cross? It will go line number 1. You go enter. You go line. It goes line number 2. Shh, I'm trying to explain that.
It's too fast and it's not comprehensible. Oh, yeah.
First curve, yes. Second curve, yes. Enter, yes, yes. Calculate. Now, first curve, yes. Second curve, yes. Yes, yes. Keep going. All right. Now, listen carefully, guys. Shh. Everybody put your calculator down and heads up. I said, guys, calculators down and heads up. Cap the markers. I want your full and undivided attention. It's water-based. You're not going to get stone smelling it. Just cap it. It's going to go dry. Come on. Guys, calculators down. Now, stop. Brooke, cap the marker, please. All right, who else is? Okay. Now, what I'm trying to show you is a shortcut with your calculator, but it takes several steps. First thing, y1, y2. You all should be getting a graph like that. Okay? Now, from here on in, as I said 4 times, you press the yellow second button. I think the button says table. Trace. Now, shut up. I'm trying to explain something important. You two are sitting there giggling like 3-year-olds. Shut the hell up now. Please, cap that marker right now. Now, for those of you that actually want to learn something, this is how it goes. Those of you that are going to sit there and giggle and interrupt the class, get the hell out. I'm tired of dealing with your childness. You get number 5. Your second, calculate number 5 intercept. Now, here it gets a little weird. Your calculators are quite powerful. You can graph 10 equations at the same time. That's 10 lines. So Mr. Calculator is going to go, graph number 1, you go enter yes. Graph number 2, you go enter yes. And then it's going to say guess, because it's going, are you sure? Are you sure? You're sure? And you go yes. And then it gives you the final answer, 6 and 2. So you have to go enter, enter, enter to get the answer. All right?
I got 8 and 0.
That's interesting. Check your graphs. Check your equations.
Because I did y1 is negative.
No. Let me see. That's interesting. Now, your windows, minus 10 to 10, please. Now, where are they crossing? Yeah, so second, calculate. First curve, yes, enter. Second curve, yes, enter. Yes, yes, enter. 6 and 2. All right. Now, guys, you have to be able to do this. Now, for the calculator aside, we're going to take a word question and turn it into a linear system, and then we're going to graph it. Now, word questions. Cassie is a grass-cutting business. She charges $12 to cut a small lawn and $20 to cut a large lawn. One weekend, Cassie earned $180 by cutting 11 lawns. Now, words into an equation. We can do that. What do we know here?
She charges $12.
To what?
Got a small one.
And? Large lawn. And? You were saying something, Elizabeth?
Equals $180.
Yes. She earned $180 by cutting. Now, can we turn that into a series of equations? Yes. So what's the first thing?
So couldn't you go x plus y equals 11?
Okay. X plus y equals 11.
Then you go 12s plus 20l.
Okay.
12
Now, here we hang on a sec. 1 sec, Luke. All right, so I've got one young lady saying X and Y, and I've got one young lady saying S and L, small and large. Does it matter which one we use?
Nope.
Louder.
Consistent.
All right, so do we do everything X and Y, or do we do it small and... Well, let's do a vote. Who wants to do it X and Y? Who wants to do it small and large? Okay, small and large it is.
Can we just do a graph like we said with everything else?
Yes. But first, hang on. Small and large is 11. Now, what's the other equation?
12s
Yes, $12 for a small lawn.
plus
For a large lawn, she got a total of? Now, good. So now we have two equations. Okay. Now it's going to say, I want to find intercepts for these. Okay? So let's start with S-intercept and L-intercept. So Small plus large is 11. Okay. What's the S-intercept? If L is 0, what's S?
It's 11.
They're both 11.
Yes. Now, the other one's a little harder. 12S. Shh. Yeah, well, 12S plus 20L equals 180. Now, the S-intercept. What is the S-intercept here?
Well, you have to do 180.
12S is 180, so S is 180 over 12, which is 15. Yes. Oh, I should say this is S and this is L. I think so. Nope. Okay. Now, shh.
Would it not be 6? Y?
Now I think that. Okay. So when we graph them, now the problem with this, sorry, it should be here so you can see the graph, is unless you got a piece of graph paper in front of you, it's really hard to see where the intercept point is. So that's why we're going to change these around and graph them. Yes, you can. 6 and 5. Does 6 and 5 work?
Let's try.
6 and 5 work?
6 plus 5 equals 11.
Yes. 20 times 5 is 100. What's 12 times 6? 72. No, it doesn't. No, that doesn't work. Okay. So we're having a little trouble seeing it right off the graph. So we're going to have to cheat and have Mr. Graphing Calculator do this for us.
Can you re-explain that actually before you keep going?
Okay. I'm going back actually. Hang on. Okay, now, do you understand where these two equations came from? All right, well, let's go back here. Cassie, grass cutting business. She cut 11 lawns. Some are small, some are large. $12 for small, 20 for large, 180. So if we do if we do intercepts, 11, 11, 9, 15, and 9. You're okay with that? If L is 0, S is 11. If S is 0, L is 11. Same thing down here. If L is 0, 12S equals 180, so S is 15. If S is 0, then L is 9. 20L is 180. Now, the problem here is drawing the graph. As I've explained before, I can't use a ruler on this because it doesn't work very well. So, I know. So that's not right. Here's the problem. You've got to really have a piece of graph paper and draw a nice graph, or have Mr. Graphing Calculator do it. So this one kind of sucks. That's why I'm going to go back and cheat. And this is x plus y is equal to 11. So how do I rewrite that? Burp or be quiet? I don't care.
Clearing my throat.
So like for the equation, so we S is 15, right? Like 12 from.
Yeah, S is 15, and up
So
there.
then you do 12 times 15, right?
Yes.
It would be, no, it would be 12.
180 divided by 12. So 12s equals 180 because L is 0.
Right. So you do. Oh, sorry.
Divide both sides by 12. Now, as I said, graphing it, it looks like 5 and 6, but I'm not doing a good job graphing, so I got to cheat and have Mr. Graphing Calculator do it, which is fine. How do I rewrite this as y equals?
Well, you're trying to just isolate the
Y. So it becomes,
minus the x.
there's 1.
Okay, and then we S is 1.
The other graph is a pain. Hang on, 12x plus 20y equals 180. So what would I do first? 20y equals minus 12x plus 180, and then?
So every time there's a number beside the y or the x, you have to divide it. Not minus
Well, you got to get it y all by itself. Yes, but that's multiply. So to get rid of multiply, you divide.
So it's only when it's right beside the...
When you're multiplying. Now, 20 times y. How do I get rid of times 20? Twelve over 20 is 0.6x. So that's y2 and that's y1. So you guys, grab your graphing calculators and graph them for me, please. Now.
This is what I got when I first did it.
Minus x plus 11 x plus 9. There we go. Now what are your windows set at?
Let me see if I get the same thing.
Okay, guys.
Oh my goodness, this is what I got.
Yep. Yep.
I put my windows really big because
Don't do that. Okay, guys. Now. Okay, very good question. Windows, minus 10 to 10. So let's start. Okay, now, are you getting a graph that looks something like that?
Mine's not.
Okay. Now hang on, did I make a math boo-boo here? Oh, poopy. This would be minus 12 when I take, my bad guys, minus 12 when I take it to the other side. So that's minus 0.06x, sorry.
Minus what?
Okay. Corinne?
Oh, it's on me. I hate that thing. It always catches me and I'm just like...
All right, guys. So, when you graph it, what do you get?
Oh my god.
Where's the cross? Can you do second calculate? Second calculate. Number 5 intersect. Yes. Yes, first curve, second curve, yes. 5 and 6. Okay. Okay. Guys, I don't care. I want to see a graph. Okay. Okay. Now, as I said, I apologize. I made a boo-boo. So you take the 12 across, it becomes minus 12. So that's minus 0.6.
Oh.
And the other graph is y equals minus x plus 11. So I need two graphs. And where are they crossing?
I still don't know how to do that.
Did I do it right?
Yeah. So I said it's a little hard to tell with my poor graph.
Wait, is that?
First curve, yes. Second curve. Remember, you can graph 10 graphs with this, so Mr. Calculator is being paranoid going, is it this line? Is it this line? Are you sure? You sure? Because it's dumb. Yes, second curve, yes. Guess, yes. Don't care. 5 and 6. That's what I'm looking
So
for.
you press yes, yes, yes until
Yes.
it says that?
Yes. Minus 10 to 10. Okay, guys. Shh. Show me your graphs. Show me what you got.
I only get one line. And I put two numbers in.
Just because you only put in one graph.
I go numbers.
All right. Window. Minus 10 to 10, please. Okay. There's one line.
Yeah.
Well, the only-
I know.
That's interesting. Okay, that's because I have no idea what this equation is. Minus 12 20 is x plus 180. divided by 20. Why did you put it in like that? It's confusing, Mr. Calculator.
Can I put brackets around it? Like the fractions?
Oh, no, these are the same equations.
That would make sense. Oh, I gotta put it in the. I see.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
Give myself.
So what are you getting for intercept points? What's the intercept point? Show me how you get it. Thank you. Second.
I don't know. Oh, then you click cal.
And scroll down. All right. So, as I said, my graph I drew without a ruler wasn't that good. It's actually 6 and 5 they cross at. Okay. That sucks. Now, let's try another one. Khalil? Heads up. Okay. One more. Guys? Now. Now, Wayne received and sent 60 text messages on his cell. Excuse me. Okay. The color. Better? All right. Now. Okay, guys. Khalil, sit up. Now, Wayne received and sent 60 text messages on his cell phone one weekend. He sent 10 more messages than he received. So write a linear system to model the situation. So we have two equations, so we can graph it. Now, what's the first bit of information I sent you?
Could it be
60.
X
Well, hang on.
It would be X plus
All right.
Y.
Couldn't you go
Hang on.
X minus Y equals 10?
Okay. What's another? All right. Hang on. Let's start from the beginning. Hang on, guys. I explained how to graph something 5 times, and I'm still getting people going, how do I do this? That's not acceptable. That's people chatting and refusing to pay attention in class. I don't care. If you don't want to be here, go to the office. You can watch the video later. As a matter of fact, it'll be much better for all of us because you'll be quiet and I'll be able to explain stuff. Now, getting back to this, here's the problem, turning it into the equation. Received plus send is 60. Now, that's the problem, turning it into equation. I hate R and S because we can't graph it, so let's call it X plus Y equals 60 right now. Now, what's the other equation?
X minus Y equals 10.
Yes. He sent 10 more messages than he received. So, now, hang on, stop. There's a bunch of ways we can do this. Received plus 10 equals sent. Sent equals, sorry. Now, hang on. There's a bunch of ways you can write that out. Now, sent 10 more than he received. So I think sent minus receive equals 10 is probably the easiest way to write that out. Does it matter? No.
Why wouldn't you just do sent minus? Oh,
That's what he did do.
Okay.
no.
So this is X minus Y is equal to, actually, let me color code this. All right. Two equations. So, got two equations, X plus Y equals 60 and X minus Y equals 10. So, can we graph these?
Couldn't it be 60 minus 10? Then it would be, because, oh no, never mind.
So how would we graph this one? How would I rewrite it so we can graph it? Minus X from both sides. All right, what about this one here? x minus y equals 10. How could I rewrite that so I can graph it?
Which one's is R is X?
Yeah, well, it's x minus y equals 10. We have to get it y equals. So what do I do?
No, you add.
Well, I can minus x from both sides. That's fine.
Could you add y?
You could.
You
Now, hang on. More than one way. We'll stretch after you give me this equation. Yes.
times -1.
Yes, everything by minus 1, so you flip the signs. So there we got two equations. Now, everybody stand up and stretch, and then we're going to graph these two equations.
So wouldn't it just be easier to just add?
Yes. But somebody else suggested we do it this way, and I said, okay, let's do it this way. Yes. Yes, you may. Khalil, go wash your face. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Do you still have your book from Hunters?
Hey, you're not going to stand up and stretch? All right. Okay, what were the two equations we just found, guys?
X plus Y equals.
No. Y equals
Oh, yeah. Y equals negative X.
plus 60. Okay, guys, shh. The other equation now, graph these two for me, please, and tell me where they intersect.
I think we did that.
Possibly.
They intercept in the negative.
Where's the? Okay, I see this line, but where's the end? Is it here or there?
All right, so graph it, and once you do, what do you see?
One line.
One line. Now, here's the problem with graphing. What's your b value here? B equals 60, which means the graph is starting way the heck up here. So what do you have to do to your y value? Make it bigger. Start where? 60. Or end at 60, I should say. So x, I don't know about x yet, but y should be minus 10 to 60. So yes, you have to play with your windows. That's the one problem with graphing. Yes, and that's the problem. I have no idea. Yes.
I have no
You put the
clue.
equation in incorrectly. You see, I don't agree with those. Y equals
Gotta put the
x.
wrong-
Hang on. X minus 10 minus x plus 60. What are your windows set at? Minus 10 and 10.
Yeah, I changed the windows again.
Okay, so make your x value, make your x window bigger. Yeah. I have no idea.
Check my windows.
No. Minus x plus 60. All right, this is x. You have to use minus 10 here.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that.
Okay. So show me.
Mess with my windows.
Y equals.
Y equals. Graph
Okay.
that and
Graph.
that.
No, let me see.
Does your graph look like this?
Okay. This has to be x minus 10.
Yeah, this X minus 10.
No, it's x to the minus 10th power. Guys, listen up. Shh. Gentlemen, ladies. Several people I've noticed making this mistake. This is x minus 10. The big minus, not the little minus in brackets. Little minus in brackets is power.
That's what we did there. That's what I didn't care. What the
Okay.
flipper?
So y has to go to 60. Now, when you do that, do you see your exit? Do you see your intercept?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, what's your x window?
My X?
Yes.
Wait, give me a second. My X max is 60 and my Y max
Like you know anything.
Oh. Yeah, my X max.
Yeah. So here's the problem. Shh, stop it.
She's putting stuff in my hair.
No, I didn't.
I don't care, but if the two of you can't be quiet, you're out. Really.
Like stuff in my hair.
Then move away. All right, guys. So here's the problem with graphing the windows. Now, piece of advice, guys, never, ever, ever hit zoom. It does weird things to your windows.
Really? I think I did that.
So where are these lines crossing?
Camera's stuck on us.
It really likes
25
screws.
and 35.
No, I'm keeping mine.
Come here. Come on.
Yeah, 35.
Okay, one more time, guys. Where do the lines cross?
X is 35 and Y is 25.
Okay, so he sent 35 and he received 25. Does that make sense? 25 plus 35, does that equal 60?
Yeah.
All right. 35 minus 25 is 10? Yes, that makes sense. All right. So, okay, guys, listen up. Shh. The big point of today's lesson, and this is where you want to take notes, you solve a linear system by graphing it. Now, you find the X and Y intercepts, you graph the lines and the points of intersections of the solution. So, you can check by graphing them or check by substitution, but find the X and Y intercepts. That's what I need you to do for homework. All right? All right. All right.
I'm too hyper for this right now. Camera needs to knock you on me.
There's Cameron.
Okay, one sec. All right. So, gentlemen, ladies, I'd like to see you start working on your homework, please.
Do we need the sites?